punishment.
The Department of Tourism, Government of Meghalaya yesterday organized the first Hello Meghalaya Conclave 2024 at Hotel Courtyard by Marriott Shillong. The event also witnessed the launch of financial assistance guidelines for film production to local film producers and directors, where a cheque amounting to Rs 35 lakhs were handed over to 3 film producers. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that there are many programs that the state government is running to support the youth, encouraging them to take advantage of such schemes.
When we are doing all of these things, that it's not about just one platform that we create. It's not about one award that we give, and definitely not about one new scheme that we're coming out with. We have to really see the larger picture of what we are trying to do out here.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, while speaking during an event organized